Question number 12, miscellaneous exercise, chapter 6. Here you have a 8% solution of boric acid. How many liters of 8% solution of boric acid is there? There is a total of 640 liters. So you have 8% of 640 liters. Then we are going to dilute it. So when you dilute, the acidic content will be less. You are adding 2% boric acid solution to this mixture. We have to find out how many liters of the 2% solution is being added. So 2% solution I am going to take as x liters. Let us add x liter of 2% solution to the already existing acidic solution. So first you have 640 liters. Now we have another x liters. So the total will be 640 plus x. And first one was 8% solution. After that you are adding a 2% solution, and the resulting mixture should be more than 4% but less than 6%. So more than 4% is the first condition, less than 6% is the second condition. So these are the things you have to note down from the question. Read the question 2 or 3 times. It is an important problem. Then you start the answer. As I told you, we are taking x liters of 2% boric acid solution, which we are adding to the already existing 640 liters. So how much will be present in the total now? 640 plus x liters will be present. And we are going to write the composition. This is a 8% solution. So 8% of 640 plus this is 2% solution. 2% of x liters. 8% means 8 by 100. Of stands for multiplication, 640 plus 2%. So 2 by 100 of x liters. So into x. This is the composition of the resulting mixture. Then we need the resulting mixture should be more than 4%. This is given in the question. This is the first condition. What is the resulting mixture? We evaluated just now. No, that is the resulting mixture. It should be greater than 4%. So 4 by 100 of the total. What is the total capacity of the mixture? 640 plus x. This is the first condition. Now here don't cancel everything like in 2 tables and all. No need to do. It is a waste of time. So what we have is, you have 100 here in the first term. This is the first term. This is the second term, and this is the entire thing is the third term. First term has 100, second term has 100, and the third term has 100. You can cancel everything. Then a 2 is common here everywhere. So you can cancel it 2 by 100 in all the 3 terms. Then multiply 4 into 640. Write this one. 2 and 100 are both gone. So only x will be there. Greater than 2 by 100 is being cancelled. Only 2 will be remaining. 2 into 640 plus x. This is the easy calculation. Now we have to multiply the 2 inside, take all the x to one side and numbers to the other side. Now here the x is on the right side, no? So I am reversing it. When I reverse, this greater than will become less than, because the smaller side is nearer to x. Now here we are getting the first answer. This is x should be less than 1280. Maximum value for x is 1280. Then we had another condition. The second condition was the resulting mixture should be less than a 6% solution. So the resulting mixture, this was the resulting mixture, no? It is less than 6%. 6 by 100 of the total, 640 plus x. Again cancel in the same way as the previous condition. We are getting the same left hand side only. 2560 plus x. 2560 plus x is less than, here if I cancel the 2, I will get 3. Multiply the 3 inside the bracket, take all the x to one side, numbers to one side, simplify, you get the value of x as greater than 320. So 320 is the minimum value of x. More so, the amount of 2% solution that we should be adding should be more than 320 liters, but it should be less than 1280 liters. We are writing that in words. Suppose you have to write it as a like this as an interval, then you should write 320 less than x less than 1280. This is how you have to write it. and this is how we write in words. This is how the answer is given in your book.